Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. Yesterday was a pretty choppy day actually after that big gap up. Kind of just hung out in the middle of the range, didn't really get to the top or the bottom of our gamma range there. We did finish with a nice green DEX, so we'll see how that pans out. That's two in a row. After a few reds there, we'll keep a closer eye on that as it goes along to see if we have continuation or change in trend. Customers got quite bearish yesterday, so could have been from Friday. We'll have to wait and see how that pans out. Our whale targets are roughly the same, or exactly the same, 590 to 605. Not a massive range, but a tradable one if we could get a little bit of volatility and some moves. SPY sitting around 600 in the pre-market session. We'll check everything else as we go along there. Some SIG prints to mark on your charts, 596.9, 597. Pretty close to each other there. I'd probably mark all of them as one at 597. If that's just me, put them on your charts, mark them as important points of price contention. And our largest ag is still down here in the 589 range. So keep an eye there. Gotten far away from that, but not too far because we did have a little bit of a downside overnight. So about $10. So about 600. Okay, let's see what our gamma has to say. Well, biggest pull on the board is 600, so no shocker that that's where we retrace to overnight. On the ag, we can't hold that. We go to 597 and then down to this little positive here at 591. Same thing applies as it did yesterday, 602. 605, we have those small walls there on the ag. We get above 605, we get to see 610. Let's go ahead and check today, 617, see how that looks as well. So this one's a little different. Oddly, the largest pull is all the way down here at 580. We're going to put an X on that for now because that is a $20 drop, and we'll take a look at where everything else is. Next up is 603, 598. So that is around the range that we're in. If we lose 597, we've got a positive gamma cluster here down to 592. It's pretty simple. We want bulls, want to hold 597 on dips to give us a shot to 605. Bears want to see us lose 597 to get us down to 592. I think FOMC is tomorrow, so we could see chop today. A lot of times we have we lack some volatility in chop beforehand, but maybe we get a nice range today and get some volatility anyways. All right, that's all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.